China is full of interesting and unique national landmarks. And Dunhuan Yardang National Geopark is among them. The name of the park appeared due to the landscape. A yardang is a unique rock formation created by the action of wind. Yardangs have been discovered in Central Asia, Arizona, and in the Sahara. Yardangs exist even on Mars, but the major part of them is located in China, mostly in Yardang National Geopark. The area of 398 square kilometers is covered by rectilinear furrows in the direction of the dominant wind, with asymmetrical steep slopes. They are formed by the wind that for around 700,000 years has been blowing away loose grounds and leaving here only hard formations. In the ancient times, this area was crossed by the Silk Road, coming from the Lop Desert, that is 300 kilometers to the southeast from Yardangs.